Hello everyone, it's Martha here with you. So today I have two new albums to share with you, a project share. So I actually used one of my older tutorials for these two albums. It was the Ghost Party Halloween Explosion Box album in a box. So I will link the tutorial to this below, and I will also link the cutting and scoring guide from Etsy. So I used, for one of them, I used the Echo Park Our Baby collection. So it's kind of it's a unisex collection. It's got a lot of, greens and peaches and yellows and like this really like boho brown. It's a super cute collection. And then the other one is Our Baby Girl from Echo Park. So it's a lot of the same patterns, a lot of the same themology, but it is, it's got like the actual pinks in it and stuff like that. So these are the two albums. The names on the front I cut with my Cricut, and then I also cut the banners and this kind of sun shape and the circle and this banner shape. I cut all of that with my Cricut. Super simple shapes. They're literally just in the shapes tabs. I didn't pay for any of these. These are just the words. I just made them in there. I didn't purchase any files. So let me show you this one first. So super cute. They're actually really simple. I put them both together in about 2 days, or 3 days, I should say. I obviously wasn't working on them the whole time, but sporadically. So the lid comes off. So it's just a super cute lid, and it opens up like this. So it is, it is just an album basically without the front. The rest of it is very much an album. So on the front here, there are two diagonal kind of pockets that cross each other. And I just used the 4x6 cut aparts for that. And then this opens up here like this. So I'm going to do my best to keep it all in frame for you. So I just did some simple matting in here. There's two changes I made from the original. One is the original one had a pocket on top of this pocket. I didn't do that in here, and then I'll show you the other change I made later on. So it has two cut aparts in this nice pocket in here, and then that just closes back up. And then the next page has the cute little envelope closure. So this opens up like this, and then it opens down like this, and it has a waterfall in here. So super cute. I really like this element of this book. And then that closes up like that. And then here there's just a cute little place to put a photo, and I used the stickers from the collection and just did some matting. And then it opens up like this, and it has this cute little pop up in here, very cute. And then it closes down, and then the next page has this double pocket with the cute little diagonal shapes. So just have some nice cut aparts in there. I did change the matting a little bit from the original too, so I did more 5x7 mats in here. So that's totally an option of something that you can do. And then this is such a cute page. I really love it. So this one comes out of here, and then these two little pockets, pockets on flaps, open like that. And then this just slides right back in here, and then this opens up and has more room for large photos. And then this is the back, the last page. The other change I made is on the original, this also had a pocket right here. I chose not to put that pocket, but I think it's cute either way. So I just left space for a 4x6 photo. This book is really optimized for 4x6 photos and 5x7 photos. So it opens like this. And then I just put a nice large cut apart, a 5x7 a photo mat under the belly band. So that's this one. And the other one is identical. It's just obviously different papers. So I'll just go through it a little bit quicker. for you. I guess some of the cut aparts are different sizes, but so again, the diagonal pocket here, double pockets, and then it opens here, and again, the two photo mats in the pockets. And then this one opens like this. So it's very cute. Just, you know, the different papers make a lot of difference too, right? And then this opens here, really cute. And then again, we've got our two double pockets here. And then here on this one, I actually kept the matting similar to the Ghost Party original album in there. And then here's a little double pocket on a flap. And then it opens like this. And then here I did two 4x6 cut aparts instead of the one big 5x7 photo mat. I just thought that looked pretty cute. And they go under here, and then this opens like this. So super, super cute. So like I said, I'll link the original tutorial for these below, and I will link the Etsy scoring and cutting guide. They do come together really, really quickly. I think a lot of it is because they're not chipboard. They are cardstock, 110-pound cardstock, but as you can tell, they are super sturdy. So they were really fun to make. And yeah, so I'll link everything below. And like I said, this was the original. So this is what you'll see in the tutorial. But these are just the exact same thing, just with different papers. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would love if you did, and I would love if you liked the video. And then I will also put the link to my We Create with Martha Tucker Facebook group below. We've actually been talking about these albums in there all week, so it's been super fun to take you guys along with me for that. So I'll link that below, and I will see you guys all in the next one. Bye-bye.